We begin by opening the RSLinx Classic application. Note that if RSLinx Classic is running as a service, we will be prompted to stop the service. This is because RSLinx Classic software may run as either a service or an application, but it may not run as both at the same time. To configure drivers, RSLinx Classic must be running as an application. So we simply need to click the Stop the Service button. When the application opens, we need to expand Communications in the top ribbon menu and select Configure Drivers. In the Configure Drivers dialog that opens, we click the Available Driver Types drop-down and select Ethernet Devices. Then we click the Add New button. We typically will want to maintain the default name, so we continue by clicking the OK button. In the Configure Driver window, we enter the IP address of the first piece of hardware in the host name cell for station 0. Then we click the Add New button and continue adding addresses until all of the hardware on the network is represented. When the list is complete, we click the Apply button to create the driver and the OK button to close the configuration dialog. Then we may close the Configure Drivers dialog as well. If the RS-Who interface is not open, we can open it by expanding Communications again and selecting RS-Who. Within the RS-Who interface, we can verify that our driver has indeed been created. We begin by opening the